Welcome back. Discover science-backed eye care hacks that actually work. Hit like and subscribe. Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and noticed that your eyes are red, irritated, or just plain tired looking? You're not alone. Red eyes affect millions of people every single day. From working professionals staring at screens all day, to students pulling all-nighters, to anyone dealing with allergies or lack of sleep. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science, causes, treatments, and long-term solutions for red eyes. And yes, you'll also learn some quick fixes that can make your eyes look clear and healthy in as little as 60 seconds. So stay with me until the end, because this isn't just about looking good, it's about protecting your vision, your comfort, and your overall health. Why do eyes turn red? Explanation of the sclera white of the eye and blood vessels. Stress, lack of sleep, and dehydration cause dilation of blood vessels. Environmental triggers: smoke, dust, pollution, air conditioning, allergies, pollen, pet dander, seasonal reactions, digital eye strain, hours on phone, laptop, TV, eye infections, conjunctivitis, contagious and needs medical care. Narration style: mix of science plus relatable examples. Ever spent a late night on TikTok and woke up looking like a zombie? That's eye strain. Quick fixes: the famous 60-second solutions. Cold compress reduces swelling instantly. Artificial tears, lubricating eye drops, relief within a minute. Splashing cool filtered water resets tired eyes. Cucumber slices, chilled green tea bags, natural soothing effect. Note, these are quick fixes, but not permanent cures. For lasting results, you'll need lifestyle changes, which we'll cover next. Lifestyle changes for clearer, brighter eyes. Hydration: drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Sleep hygiene: 7 to 8 hours nightly. Screen breaks: 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Balanced diet: vitamin A carrots, vitamin C, citrus, omega-3 fish. Flaxseed cut down caffeine and alcohol, both dry out eyes. Quit smoking, biggest irritant. Humidifiers for dry air homes. Background visuals. Animations of lifestyle tips. Easy to follow. When red eyes mean something serious: if redness is constant, plus pain, possible glaucoma, uveitis, corneal ulcer. If redness plus pus discharge gives infection, needs antibiotics. If redness plus blurred vision, light sensitivity, seek doctor immediately. Emphasize: don't ignore persistent red eyes, it can cost your eyesight. Natural remedies backed by science: aloe vera gel extract around eyes, not inside eyes. Rosewater eye wash. Cultural plus, backed by soothing properties. Replace contact lenses regularly. Quick recap plus motivation: let's quickly recap. Red eyes are common, but can signal deeper issues. Quick fixes like cold compress, artificial tears, cucumber slices help instantly. Long-term fixes include hydration, sleep, nutrition, and reducing digital strain. Always see a doctor if redness is severe or persistent. Your eyes are your window to the world. Protect them today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more science-backed health and wellness tips. Tell me in the comments below, which of these remedies will you try first? Remember, your health is in your hands, so let's keep Tiho's eyes bright, clear, and healthy.